Hey everyone, welcome to another session by Simplilearn. In this session, we will understand the difference between C Sharp and Java. Programmers widely use C Sharp and Java to construct various programs and applications, including mobile apps, desktop apps, cloud based services, websites, and games, making them extremely popular. If you're unsure about the differences between these two languages, then you have come to the right place. This video will explain you the differences between C Sharp and Java. Let's look at today's agenda. We shall first begin with understanding what is C Sharp, following which we will understand what is Java. Then we will look at the comparison between C Sharp versus Java. Finally, we will see where to use C Sharp and Java. But before we begin, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and clicked on the bell icon so you never miss an update from Simplilearn. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. What is C Sharp? C Sharp is a programming language that is object oriented and component oriented. C Sharp allows developers to create a wide range of safe and robust .NET applications. C Sharp was created by Microsoft's Anders Hijelsberg in 2000 and was later recognized as worldwide standard by ECMA in 2002 and ISO in 2003. C programs are executed using .NET. C Sharp has a virtual execution system known as Common Language Runtime (CLR) and a collection of class libraries. CLR is Microsoft implementation of international standard Common Language Infrastructure known as CLI. CLI serves as the foundation for developing execution and development environments in which languages and libraries interact smoothly. What is Java? Java is a programming language as well as a computer platform. Some numerous applications and websites will not function unless Java is installed. Sun Microsystems released Java in 1995 and Oracle Corporation eventually purchased it. The Java software platform is used by millions of devices worldwide. Java is object-oriented programming language that is widely used. Java's principle and syntax are based on C and C++ languages. Java is fast, secure, and reliable. Java may be found everywhere, from laptops to data centers, game consoles to scientific supercomputers, and cell phones to the internet. Java is multi-platform, object-oriented, and network-centric language. It contains an execution engine, a compiler, and a collection of libraries. Now let us look at the comparison between C Sharp versus Java depending on different parameters. The first parameter is the background. C Sharp was created in 2000 by Anders Hijelsberg from Microsoft. Microsoft released C Sharp along with .NET Framework and Visual Studio. In 1995, James Gosling, also known as father of Java, created Java at Sun Microsystems, which Oracle Corporation later acquired. Fundamentals. C Sharp is a programming language that is object oriented and component oriented. C Sharp allows developers to create a wide range of safe and robust .NET applications. C Sharp programs are executed using .NET, a virtual execution system known as Common Language Runtime (CLR) and a collection of class libraries. Java is a programming language as well as computing platform. Java is an object-oriented programming language that is widely used. Java's principle and syntax are based on C and C++ programming languages. Pointers. Pointers are supported in C Sharp to a limited extent. A pointer in C Sharp is a variable that stores the memory address of different data type, whereas Java does not officially support pointers. IDEs, Integrated Development Environments. C Sharp supports IDEs like Visual Studio Code, Kite, Slick Edit, Eclipse, Acute, Notepad, Rider, Autumn, and DevExpress. Whereas Java supports IDEs like Eclipse Edit, NetBeans Edit, JCreator Edit, Processing Edit, BlueJ Edit, Kava Edit, JBuilder Edit, and many more. Runtime environment. C# has a runtime environment called Common Language Runtime that executes the code. It offers services that make the development process go more easily. The Java runtime environment is a software layer that runs on top of a computer's operating system. Java runtime environment offers class libraries and other resources that a Java application requires to run. Arrays. An array in C# is a structure expressing a fixed length ordered collection of values or the objects of the same type. In Java, an array is a collection of variables that are referred to by a single variable name and an index number. Now let us look at the salaries. The average salary for a C# developer in India is 3,90,000, whereas the average salary for a Java developer in India is 4,61,000. The average salary in United States for a C# developer is $68,000, whereas for a Java developer, the average salary in United States is $76,000. Where to use C# and Java? C# is used for web application development, Windows applications, games, and apps. Java is used for big data, GUI applications. It is also used as server-side programming language. It is used in embedded systems and Android applications. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. Like and share it if you found it interesting. Thank you for being here. Keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.